getting over this little cough, but we back. Let's get it in. About to show you a dynamic upper session. You see the gym, man. Ironstone Barbell in Hellertown, Pennsylvania. Make sure you come check it out. Got everything you ever needed. We got the kilos, we got it all. I'll get started with my warm up. Each exercise, 40 reps. Start with face pulls. Pull downs. Gotta hit both arms. 40 reps each. Tricep pull down. You wanna spread at the bottom. Last but not least, band pull aparts. Make sure you try that warm out in for all your upper body days. It's gonna take care of those joints, those stabilizers. To save on camera time, I'm just gonna show you one set of my warm up that I do. I'm gonna hit incline bench, lat pull down, and seated row. Each one is 3 sets of 15, but I'm just gonna show you the first one. Over time, this warm-up adds volume to your workout. Each month, we either increase the weight or increase the reps. Over time, you'll get bigger, stronger, easy results. Damn, that's that brachialis. Here's our lat pull down. We're using an MAG grip, medium one. Like I said before, we got 15 reps. The same with this. Each month, we either increase the reps or increase the weight. Can't even hear what I hear right now. Somebody strong as shit must have been there, pulling all this goddamn weight. Seated row, I like to use this bar I got from the K-Box because I can use wider grip, the same grip I would use on the bench press. Feels real nice to be able to pull where your hands would be on the bench. That's the first set of the warm up. I'm gonna run that back 2 more times, and I'm gonna lock in with y'all on the bench. Hey, this Joe tracking me, yo. We're about to get into the warm up with the bench. We got Larson press today. We're gonna work up to a RPE 8, and then we're gonna drop it down. We're gonna do speed reps. All right, let's get it. I need some music. Oh, there it is. All right, with the Larson, it's all upper body. We're gonna take your legs out of this movement. Nice and easy. Let's put some more weight on. We got 220 loaded. This shit about to be nothing but buttermilk. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Woo! Where everybody at, man? Tuesday morning. I'm trying to get rowdy. Can't get rowdy by myself. Let's take it up. Molly, make her dance with her ass out. Baby, 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 baby. Hey, hey, oh, don't lose me. Oh shit. We going up, 286, top set. We're taking it for a single, then we got some speed work. Almost died. All right, we're finishing up with speed bench. We got the bands on. We got 177 in bar weight. We're gonna be competing to keep that over 0.7 meters per second. I'm light on camera time, so you might get 2 reps out of me. Let's get it. We're also gonna be using our leg drive again. We just finished with Larson, now we're back. 7-0, 7-1, 6-9. So we gotta keep competing to keep that speed above 0.7. Y'all lost me? I'm here. We got 6 total sets. We'll see how many I'm able to get on camera. This is set number 2. Let's keep those lats engaged. Drive it up. Six, 7. 7-0, 6-7. Not good. We gotta keep working. 30-second rest, we're back at it. Damn. 7-4, 7-2, 6-8. But I feel good to be back, man. I'm about to be bringing you guys some nice, good content, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to keep getting 1% better. We locked back in, so stay tuned.